Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the construction progress of my Monogram 1-48 F-4C Phantom. Right here. Now, as you probably know, it is a tradition for me to record myself unboxing my models, showing you the construction progress when I nearly have all the painting and gluing complete, and of course, hanging. And let's see what else we have here. Post-World War II aircraft, like this F-4 Phantom here, they are really cool, but they're tough to build. I mean, these are Vietnam aircraft right here. And I tell you, they're awesome. But camouflaging and all that, like I told you, it's very tough to build.